Welcome to the eDocs to NetDocuments demo using the Xillio Migration Accelerator platform. The Migration Accelerator jumpstarts your migration project with pre-configured flows and templates. Let's get started with building the Migration Accelerator package. Select the eDocs source connector to extract content and metadata directly from the database. Now let's select the target system. Choose the NetDocuments target connector. In the next step, you can enable additional flows and settings. When you have configured your package to your migration needs, you can go to the Review and Confirm page. On this page, you can review and download your Migration Accelerator package. When your download is completed, unzip the package and navigate to your Xillio. After unzipping the package, you can create a new Xillio project. You can now drag in the flows and JSON files. Review your project files and hit Create to start migrating quickly. This is a typical eDocs environment. We will use the content from a demo workspace. In this demo, we will migrate the top-level folders, development, pictures, and professional services into NetDocuments. After you imported the Migration Accelerator package, you see the Extract, Transform, and Load lanes. These lanes contain the flows that allow you to perform a migration from A to Z, including reporting. The Xillio platform allows you to manage secrets and variables at a project level using the environment editor. You can create multiple environments to separate your configuration data for different project stages, such as development, testing, and production. Environments provide a secure way to store sensitive information by encrypting secret values. Now let's check out the eDocs source connector. You can configure the flow to match your extraction requirements. This is the Variables Management window with variables and toggles. Any sensitive variables are pulled from the environment and stay hidden. When you finish your configuration, you can run the flow and start the extraction. View the log panel for detailed events to track progress and spot any issues during the extraction quickly. The Migration Accelerator contains multiple transformation flows that will help you kickstart your transformation. It contains flows that set the migration scope, transform the metadata, map permissions, and remove special characters. Since no migration is the same, these flows come with easy-to-use mapping sheets. The Migration Accelerator also comes with multiple report flows for source and target to support your migration process and reconciliation. Now let's check out the NetDocuments target connector. Open the Flow Variables window, as shown before. Any sensitive variables are pulled from the environment and stay hidden. No further configuration is needed for the import. You can now run the flow to start the import into NetDocuments. Open the Logs panel to monitor the import events. Real-time logs reveal folder creation, permission sets, document creation, and validation checks for easy monitoring your import. When the import is finished, you can view your content in NetDocuments. After the import, your content has landed in NetDocuments. Open your cabinet to see the results. The 3 top-level folders from eDocs are now visible under the Folders tab. The structure and content from eDocs are fully migrated, including all versions. So instead of just moving content, we migrate it in a structured and controlled way, ready for use in NetDocuments. For more information about our content migration solutions and services, please visit Xillio.com.